viewers, welcome to Madraasi kitchen. Today we are going to see how to prepare lassi, and we are going to prepare three different types of lassi: mint lassi, Gulkand Lassi and Sweet Lassi. Ingredients are curd or yogurt, milk, mint leaves, sugar, rose water, rose essence, almonds or badam, pista or pistachios, Gulkand. You get Gulkand in all provision shops. Dried rose petals, cardamom powder. Pour milk. Pour curd. Add few almonds, little cardamom powder, rose water. Start whisking. Sweet lassi is ready. Now transfer it to a glass. Top it with finely chopped pistachios, almonds and a pinch of cardamom powder. Start blending it. Add few drops of rose water. This is optional. Mint lassi is ready. Transfer it to a glass. Blend it well. Gulkand Lassi is ready to serve. Transfer it to a glass. Top it with finely chopped almonds or badam, pistachios, dried rose petals and few drops of rose essence.